Hello students, welcome to the class of English. Today we will do the activity pages of unit number 2. These starts from page number 10, and in this page we are having question and answers first. So what you have to do is you have to write the answers of these questions on your book. The very first question is, how many raindrops create a rainbow? So you already know that millions and millions of raindrops create a rainbow. Then what are your two favorite colors of the rainbow? So you have to fill your favorite colors. You have to write the names of your favorite colors in these two blocks. Then, have you ever seen a rainbow? If you have seen, then tick the answer. If you haven't, then tick it in the front of no. Then question number 4 is, which question in the poem do you think is most difficult to answer? You have to read the poem, I wonder. Then what do you think is the most difficult question to answer? You have to write that in this line. Then which question in the poem would you most like answered? So which question you want to answer mostly? Like which question is more easy to answer? So you will write that question in this line. Then the last question is, do you like this poem? If you like this poem, write yes. If you did not like this poem, write no. And then you have to give the answer why you like this poem or why you don't like this poem. So you have to write your complete answer. Then we have exercise number B. Choose the correct word to match each kind of weather. You have to write the words in front of these words which are already written in the table. Number 1 is wind. So wind matches with the blows. Then number 2 is sun, rain, lightning, ice and thunder. Then you have to draw the picture of rainbow in this block which is given on this page. Then come towards page number 11. Here you are having an exercise of nouns. Underline the nouns in each sentence. You have to underline the noun. You already know that noun is the name of a person, an animal, a place or a thing. So in these 10 sentences you have to underline the nouns. Then exercise B. Choose the correct noun from the list to fill in the blanks. Here are few nouns. Some are proper nouns and some are common nouns. These are written in this orange block. Then you have to fill these blanks with these nouns. After that we are having page number 12. In page number 12, first exercise is comprehension. Again, here are few words in the blocks and you have to fill this table with those words. The first word is write. Write matches with the pencil. Eat. Eat matches with the food. Then drive. Drive matches with the car and so on. Then exercise B is vocabulary. You have to name each group of the table. First one is shirt, trousers, coat, jacket, frock. So these all words come in a single group which is clothes. So you have to name each group regarding their particular existence, how they exist in their group. Then exercise number C, word structure. In this you have to see how the words are written and they are having one syllable or two syllable. You have to divide this the structure of a word, how these words are made, whether they are having one syllable or two syllable. Like rabbit. Rabbit is having two syllables. It is made up of two syllables, like one is rab and the second is bit. So rabbit is the two syllable word. Then we are having exercise D, sentence structure. You have to underline the word in each sentence that does not belong. The first line is, long ago rabbits had long, not tails. Now this complete sentence is correct except one word which is not. So you have to underline not. You will just write, long ago rabbits had long tails. So this was the exercise D. Now exercise E is the teaser time. There is the code of the word telephone, and using this code you have to find the hidden words and write in the block below this code. After that we are having page number 13. In this we are having vocabulary. So you have to choose the correct words to complete the table. Red is apple and red is also danger. Red is also strawberry. So the two appropriate words should be written in the table, like orange. What will be the suitable word for orange? Orange is also a fruit and orange is carrot. So these two words come in the category of orange. Then we have the exercise B, comprehension. You have to ring the correct ending for each sentence. Like rainbows have the color. So gray, orange or brown. Which color is in rainbow? You will take the orange. Then blue is the color of flower, clouds and sky. So you will ring that word which is most suitable and with the color of blue. Then we have exercise C, grammar. Again you have to fill these blanks with the noun. After that you are having exercise D, that is proofing. You have to underline 10 errors and you have to write the correction above that error. Hope you people have enjoyed this lesson, and these all exercises are very easy. You have to fill it on your book, and you are having 2 or 3 tasks. The first task is you have to draw the picture of rainbow, and you have to put the colors in the correct order. After that, task number 2 is you have to write the definition of noun with 3 examples in your rough notebooks. Then task number 3 is you have to find 5 difficult words in unit number 2 and write meanings on the top of the words. I hope you people will do your task as directed by your teacher, and you will take interest in your reading and writing. Thank you so much.